today's blog and video, the top 3 marketing strategies for cleaning services. And what we're going to go over today is 3 of the top marketing strategies. And we're going to go over geographic, account-based marketing, or demographic-based marketing, and a service-based strategy. My name is Shane Dubell, and our company is methodcleanbiz.com. We're a marketing agency for cleaning services, and I've been in the industry many years, and I know all of the practical stuff. Digital marketing, get a website, and you'll get 3 months of SEO included to kick you off. So today we're going to talk about strategy. Whenever I talk to cleaning services every single day, and people email and text us questions, use our chat bot to ask questions. And most of the time what people focus on are these tactics. And this is what they ask about. You know, which is the best? SEO, Google Ads, social media, email, text, videos, YouTube. And the answer is it depends on what your strategy is. Ultimately, you want to use all of them. I mean, I would highly recommend that any cleaning service use anywhere from 5 to 10 of these different tactics. Now, they don't all have to be big. Some of them you could spend like an hour a month on, and that's it. You know, like networking. You know, maybe you just go to one of these tip clubs once a month, or a chamber of commerce meeting or something, and that's it. They don't all have to be all or nothing. Really, what you want to do is put several of these tactics into a strategy. So that's where we want to start, is with a strategy. And we're just going to go over the top 3 strategies. There's endless strategies when it comes to marketing. I'm just going to focus on 3 of them to keep this simple. And the first one is a geographic strategy. And what that means is you're going to choose a very specific geography. Let's say a town. Let's say it could be a county, although that would be bigger. Generally, it's like a city or a town or a suburb, one of these suburbs. And then you don't really care if the clients are big, small. You're just going to sell all your services to this town, and you want to completely dominate that town, and you want to own that town is basically the point. You want them to see your vans, billboards, anything. Digital marketing, that's the point I'm trying to get across, is you're just going to flood that specific town with everything. So then we have account-based marketing, and account-based marketing is generally a commercial strategy, but you can also apply it to residential. The difference is you'd be thinking of demographics and household demographics. So on the commercial side, account-based marketing would be like you have an office cleaning company and you want to focus on professional offices or restaurants or industrial buildings. That would be account-based marketing. Property management would be another popular one. And now it doesn't mean you don't sell to those other industries, but with account-based marketing, you're going to focus most of your money on one client in mind, and you're going to really try to dominate that segment. And that's the point. And on the residential side, it would be the words we generally use are more like ideal audience. So let's say you're a maid service or house cleaning business, and you want to focus on upper middle class or middle class, busy soccer moms, busy professionals. It's endless the different audience you can create, but then everything would be tailored to that audience. So all of these tactics up here are all designed with that specific demographic in mind. And the geography wouldn't be as important. Of course, you have to have some limits on how far you want to travel. But it would be more of a broader geography, maybe a county or even 3 or 4 counties where some of you live. But that's the focus. And the last one is a service-based strategy. Now, with service-based, you are offering more than one service, but you are deciding on one specific service that you want to really highlight. And that's going to be where you draw people in. You want to be known as the top company for this specific service. Now, you can still upsell other services. If you're a house cleaning service and you want to be known for that, and that's your value proposition, that's the main service. Now, you can still sell carpet cleaning, and you can still sell tile cleaning or whatever, disinfection services, but they would be secondary. And the geography wouldn't matter as much, although you have to have some limit, of course, but it would be a broader geography because you just want to focus and dominate on that one specific service. And I think if you look around your own marketplace, that you'll see this with service companies, is some of them will provide 10 different services, and what can happen when you do that is dilution effect, is then people lose sight of what you're about and what you do because you are highlighting 10 services. So they you're not known for one specific service. So that would be the point of it. Ultimately, long term, I would mix in these strategies. It doesn't have to be one or nothing, but I would mix in to some degree. For instance, you can dominate a town and then say, well, but for construction businesses, I want to do construction cleanups. That could be residential or commercial. That's like a secondary strategy. That's all you want to focus on is the construction market, and then you have your geographic strategy. So you can do more than one of these. The point is to have a strategy, because that's when all of these tactics, you fill them in to that strategy. It's not, does Google Ads work? Of course they work. It's more important to fit the Google Ads into that strategy. And social media, email, all of these tactics, especially with SEO, because Google uses something called EAT, EEAT, and they're determining what your website is about. And once they determine that, they're going to highlight those pages. So that's why focusing on specific geographic areas or services is really huge in the whole Google search world. So my name is Shane DeBell, and our company is methodcleanbiz.com. And this was just a quick little video on marketing strategies for cleaning services. Check out our website and come and hire us to build a website for you, and you'll get 3 months of SEO included to get you going.